permanent libraries for the Tamil Thai world.
This is a new initiative from B.S. Abdul Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology. You know that for the past 38 years, Crescent has been a very successful institution. It started as Crescent Engineering College and later it became a deemed to be university. The institute has grown from strength to strength. Initially only engineering programs were offered. After that, we are offering many programs like architecture, pharmacy, management, and many new initiatives, including law recently. Apart from that, now our next advancement is to offer online MBA and the MCA program. We all know that the government's new education policy, NEP 2020, here the government is asking for improving the gross enrollment ratio. It means many students stop with the schools. Only a small percentage they go for colleges. And most of them stop with the undergraduate program, that is bachelor's degree. Many are not able to go for master's degree. If our economy has to improve further, we have to increase the number of people who are completing higher education. So the higher education is the college education and bachelor's, master's and further to PhD. Due to economic necessity, many people who complete college, they stop with bachelor's degree. They are not able to continue the college because they have to go for work and earn a living. However, their progress is stopped because they don't have a master's degree. That is where this online program is coming. So this is an online MBA, those who are working in different cadres in the industry. Likewise, a lot of bachelor's degree holders are working in IT industries. For them, MCA will be of tremendous use. So I welcome all of you. More details will be given by our people here. Thank you.
Our Registrar Professor Azad to announce the launching of online MBA MCA program from this academic year 2021 and 22. So no need to emphasize the importance of offering online programs. All of you are aware in the last 2 years we are facing pandemic and compulsorily we are forced to go offering online classes. Of course, now the campus is open, so the physical classes are happening. But most part of the 2 years, we conducted online classes, online examination, and so many things. And during this period, we gained a lot of knowledge and experience in online education. So in offering online education, there are two important aspects. One is the learning management system, we call it as LMS, and the content, web content. So it's a blessing in disguise, I would say, that this pandemic has given an opportunity to develop our LMS, to strengthen our LMS, and also we parallelly created a lot of web content. We have the studio, equipped the studio, and keeping on improving the facilities available in the studio, or possible because of this kind of new experience we are able to get. It's not out of compulsion. I would say that now online program will stay because of the inherent strength it has. Firstly, the flexibility in timing. It's not that, isn't it, a fixed timing coming to the campus. All these are not necessary. There's a flexi timing, so it suits everyone. And many foreign universities already offering online program. Our students are enrolling and are getting graduated from this online program because of this flexibility. And of course, you could reach the unreachable. It's not that easily they have to be in Chennai. It can be from anywhere. So because of these two main advantages, the flexibility and reaching the unreachables, so the online programs will become more and more popular and it will stay. In addition to that, it could offer personalized learning. In the sense, in a class of 60, so the teacher teach the same lesson to all the students at the same time, irrespective of the background the students come from. Actually, if you analyze, the students have a different prior knowledge, prior experience, and the pace of learning also different for every student. But we teach the same thing at the same time in the same class. But with the support of online education, we can personalize the teaching learning process. So depending upon the need of every student, the lesson plan can be framed and accordingly it can be taught. And the learning curve would be different for every student. The learning path, the curve would be different, but the final outcome would be the same. So we can create unlimited web content suiting the different requirements of the students. The students are not same, they are not homogeneous, it's a heterogeneous mix. So that way I would say that the online program will be more powerful, catering to the need of individual students' requirement that may not be possible in our conventional education. So it will stay, it will be more powerful, and that's why, sensing the importance and the need of the online program, our B.S. Abdul Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology started offering this program to start with MBA and MCA program. Of course, we will add more program in the years to come. And the MBA, MCA, the students, is a postgraduate program, so the students enrolling for the program would be mature enough to adapt to the online situation. So we will also gain more experience that will also strengthen and creating the necessary web content and importantly the LMS, the Learning Management System. I would say that MBA and both MCA, both, every individual has to acquire these two degrees. I would say that one or other or both actually. So because now any business or any organization are driven by data, and for data analytics, sufficient sound knowledge in computer application is required. So with this kind of opportunity, you can become tech savvy, and in your day-to-day activities, in taking the decision, actually everybody is supposed to take decision every day. And the decision should be the most appropriate one. And now you are supported by this kind of computer applications. Artificial intelligence, I think you will come to know about that when our professors will talk about that. So every decision is now artificial intelligence driven based on the data we provide. So it's better, I would say, that particularly those who the age of the 30s and 40s acquire sufficient knowledge on MBA and MCA program, and when it is offered online, it will be easier for them also, and it will help them in taking the better decision and run the organization in a better way. So I'm happy to announce the launching of these two programs, and at the same time I should congratulate our director Raymond Ucharraj and his team, actually with Dr. Sandhya, Dr. Salman, Mr. Salman, and the professors Mr. Aisha, Mr. Lata Tamilchelvan, and Miss Tarini and Mr. Sarmila and our deans, Professor Venkateshan, Selvam and Professor Srinivasan, and our HODs, Professor Sanmugam and Professor Patel Moinin, and other staff members, and I would say that our Mr. Ganesh Ratnam, all every supported in developing the necessary content and the curricula, syllabi, everything, and of course there are other faculty members who are not able to participate. They also help in framing the curricula and syllabi and come to this stage of launching this program online.
NAC என்று சொல்லக்கூடிய தரச்சான்று எங்கள் பல்கலைக்கழகத்திற்கு A+ என்ற சான்றிதழை வழங்கி இந்தியாவில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஆயிரக்கணக்கான பல்கலைக்கழகங்களிலே குறிப்பாக A+ வாங்கிய குறிப்பிடத்தக்க 15 பல்கலைக்கழகங்களிலே ஒன்றாக விளங்குகின்ற B.S. Abdul Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology தங்களுடைய கல்வி சேவையினை எங்களுடைய வளாகத்திலிருந்து செயல்படுத்துவது மட்டுமல்லாது through the online education மூலமாக தமிழ்நாடு, இந்தியா மற்ற ஏனைய நாடுகளிலும் இருக்கக்கூடிய பயில படிப்பதற்கு ஆசைப்படுகின்ற இளைஞர்களுக்கும் நல்ல ஒரு சிறந்ததொரு கல்வியினை ஆன்லைன் மூலமாக வழங்க வேண்டும் என்ற ஒரு எண்ணத்தை உருவாக்கி அதன் இம்ப்ளிமெண்டேஷன் என்று சொல்லக்கூடிய நிகழ்வினை இன்றைய தினம் தலைமை தாங்கி நடத்தி கொண்டிருக்கின்ற போற்றுதலுக்கும் பாராட்டுக்கும் உரிய எங்களுடைய அன்பிற்கினிய மாண்புமிகு துணைவேந்தர் டாக்டர் ஏ பீர் முகமது அவர்களே, எங்கள் பல்கலைக்கழகத்தினுடைய செயல்பாடுகள் எல்லாம் சிறந்த முறையிலேயே செயலாற்றிக் கொண்டிருக்கின்ற எங்களுடைய பதிவாளர் போற்றுதலுக்கும் பாராட்டுக்கும் உரிய டாக்டர் இ ஆசாத் அவர்களே, எங்களுடைய கிரசன்ட் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆன்லைன் எஜுகேஷன் என்ற ஒரு சென்டர் உருவாக்கப்பட்டு அதன் மூலமாக இன்றைய தினம் ஆன்லைன் MBA MCA படிப்பினை துவங்குவதற்காக தன்னை முழுமையாக ஈடுபடுத்திக் கொண்டு இன்றைய தினம் இந்த நிகழ்வினை சிறந்த முறையிலே நடத்தி கொண்டிருக்கின்ற போட்டுதலுக்குரிய இயக்குனர் ரேமண்ட் உத்தரராஜ் அவர்களே, எங்கள் பல்கலைக்கழகத்தினுடைய முதுகலை படிப்பிற்கான சேர்க்கைக்குரிய இயக்குநராக விளங்குகின்ற அன்பிற்கினிய போட்டுதலுக்குரிய நண்பர் காஜா மைதீன் அவர்களே, எங்களுடைய பல்கலைக்கழகத்தினுடைய MCA படிப்பு சிறந்த முறையிலே இன்றைய தினம் IT ரிலேட்டட் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ் அனைத்தும் IT ரிலேட்டட் கோர்சஸ், அது கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ்ல இருந்து ஆர்டிபிஷியல் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ்ல இருந்து IoT இன்டர்நெட் ஆஃப் திங்ஸ்ல இருந்து ஒவ்வொன்றும் சொல்லிக்கிட்டே போலாம். அத்தனை புரோகிராமையும் இன்றைய தினம் எங்கள் பல்கலைக்கழகத்திலே சிறந்த முறையிலே நாங்கள் மாணவர்களுக்கு பட்டங்களாக வழங்கிக் கொண்டிருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த இனிய வேளையிலே MCA ஆன்லைனிலும் தொடங்குவதற்காக தங்களுடைய முழு ஒத்துழைப்பை நல்கிக் கொண்டிருக்கின்ற அன்பிற்கினிய டீன் புல முதல்வர் வெங்கடேசன் செல்வம் அவர்களே, அதே போன்று எங்களுடைய பல்கலைக்கழகத்தினுடைய மாஸ்டர் ஆஃப் பிசினஸ் அட்மினிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் MBA இன்றைய நிலையிலே மற்ற பல்கலைக்கழகங்களை ஒப்பிடும் பொழுது நாங்கள் சிறந்த பல்கலைக்கழகமாக விளங்குவதற்கு இந்த MBA படிப்பும் ஒரு முத்தாய்ப்பாக விளங்குகின்றது என்று சொன்னால் அதற்கு முழு காரணமாக வழங்குகின்ற அன்பிற்கினிய டீன் டாக்டர் சீனிவாசன் அவர்களே, இந்த நிகழ்வுகள் எல்லாம் MBA இந்த ஆன்லைன் புரோகிராம் உங்களிடம் இன்றைய தினம் எங்களுடைய துணைவேந்தர் அவர்கள் சிறந்த முறையிலே லான்ச் செய்யப்பட்டு அறிமுகப்படுத்தக்கூடிய இந்த நிகழ்விலே தன்னை முழுமையாக ஈடுபடுத்திக் கொண்டிருக்கின்ற அன்பிற்குரிய பேராசிரியர் சண்முகம் அவர்களே, MCA துறை தலைவர் அன்பிற்குரிய பேராசிரியர் பக்கீர் முகமது அவர்களே, இந்த CDOE சென்டர் ஃபார் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆன்லைன் எஜுகேஷன் உடைய இணை இயக்குநராக செயல்பட்டுக் கொண்டிருக்கின்ற பேராசிரியை சந்தியா அவர்களே, அதே போன்று எங்களுடைய பல்கலைக்கழகத்துடைய பேராசிரியர் பெருமக்களாக விளங்குகின்ற பேராசிரியை தாரணி அவர்களே, பேராசிரியை லதா தமிழ்ச்செல்வன் அவர்களே, பேராசிரியை ஆயிஷா பானு அவர்களே, எங்களுடைய இந்த நிகழ்வுகளை எல்லாம் சிறந்த முறையிலே செயல்படுத்திக் கொண்டிருக்கின்ற அன்பிற்கினிய தம்பி கணேஷ் ரத்னம் அவர்களே, எங்களுடைய பல்கலைக்கழகத்தை சார்ந்த பேராசிரியர் பெருமக்களே, ஆசிரியர் நண்பர்களே, அலுவலக நண்பர்களே, எல்லாவற்றுக்கும் மேலாக எங்களுடைய அழைப்பினை ஏற்று வயது 40 வயது ஆகிவிட்டது, 50 வயது ஆகிவிட்டது, நான் எப்படி படிக்க முடியும் என்று நினைப்பவர்களுக்கெல்லாம் ஒரு வரப்பிரசாதமாக இந்த ஆன்லைன் MBA MCA இன்றைய தினம் அறிமுகப்படுத்தப்பட்டுள்ளது.
I joined with registrar, additional registrar in welcoming all of you for this auspicious day function. The Center for Distance and Online Education of P.S. Abdul Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology is starting online MBA and MCA program from the academic year 2021. This program is a AICT approved UGC entitled program, and the duration is also same as the conventional program. These programs are specially designed to meet the industrial and technological needs of the working professionals, also orient the others towards professional and technology. A skilled reskilling and upskilling is our aim of this particular program. This enables the candidates to learn while they are earning, study from anywhere to earn the degree. So these are all the two mottos of this online program. Just first I will say something about the program. The duration of the program is also similar to the regular MBA and MCA. It's a 2-year duration. The curriculum is also same as the regular. Also, we have added so many other additional value-added courses equivalent to the B schools of MBA and the industry orientation for MCA program also. The age limit, as we discussed, there is no age limit for doing this online program. Anyone who needs upskill their knowledge can also study this particular program. The eligibility, if you say that MCA, any undergraduate degree with branch of study, computer application, computer science, engineering with 50% of marks, or any undergraduate degree with branch of study as mathematics, physics, chemistry, commerce, or any degree with mathematics are eligible. For MBA program, any undergraduate degree with minimum 50% marks are eligible to join that particular program. So this is just a UGC guidelines. So any undergraduate, if it is a MCA program,
mathematical skill is required. If it is a MBA program, anyone who is interested to do that with the undergraduate degree, they can do that particular course. So the fee structure is designed a very nominal fee. Even compared to our university regular student, we have given a very good fee structure, and it is 40,000 rupees per semester for MBA and 30,000 per semester for MCA program. Not only that, we have the management has taken, the Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Additional Registrar, the team of management has taken a policy decision saying that any Indians who is working in abroad, they can also give the Indian fee structure. They need not pay the foreign fee structure slightly. That is, foreign nationals, they have to pay $1,000 per semester for the case of MBA, and MCA $750. So here we are giving a overage advantage to our internationals. Even they are working in abroad, they can also benefited out of this particular thing. Who can apply? Any Indian nation or foreign nation, doesn't matter, but eligibility they have to check. They can do the course online. And just say that how to apply for this particular course. Any eligible candidate, the web portal is already available. Any eligible candidate can apply through the web portal www.crescent.education, or the web portal address is also given in the pamphlet. The specific web portal address is also given in the pamphlet. They can apply that. The application fee of 1,000 rupees for the Indian nation and $15 for the national will be the application fee. They have to submit the application. After submitting the application, an entrance test will be conducted online. Then we will intimate the selection. The payment of the tuition fees will be done semester wise, and if they want to have it annually, they can also pay. Then after completing the admission process, the login credentials, as Vice Chancellor said, the login credential for the Learning Management System, LMS, it was designed by our own in-house team, will be given. From that day onwards, they can start the particular semester. The last date for the admission is given as 15/12/2021, 15th December 2021, as per the UGC norms. Next stage, I will just say that what is the structure of this particular program. The program is designed based on the UGC guidelines and also considering the needs of the candidates. We have a team analyze the requirement of the candidates who are applying. So the candidates are industrial candidates or professionals or somebody who is working in BPO and other thing. They want to go to the coding level. They want to do that particular thing. Taking these things into consideration, we have designed this particular online courses. The LMS is designed in a professional way as well as very user friendly, and the experience that we have gained in Crescent for the last 2 years by conducting the regular program through online is used, and we have a professional LMS available. The faculty and the student can interact very smoothly through the LMS. So that is a success for any online program, and we have a dedicated professional LMS in place so that the interaction between the faculty and the candidates will be very smooth. The program is designed as a 12-week program per semester. Every week we will give some e-content, e-videos on the LMS. They can go through that. Our faculty members will also be available during the Saturdays and Sundays for refreshing that particular content, and we will be giving the assignments, weekly assignments, and we will be giving weekly discussion forums so that the group discussion and other things are possible, as well as we will give some case studies and mini project in a week basis. This makes our program different from the conventional program. 60% theoretical knowledge will be given and 40% practical oriented approach will be given, because that is the requirement for the professionals who are working in the industry. Keeping that in mind, the course is completely designed such a way that it will help the professionals who are working in the industry as well as the other people who are working in allied area want to transfer to the technology oriented will be benefited. The test will be conducted online and the final examination will also be a proctored examination that will be conducted online. The conduct hours will be scheduled in the weekends. All other activities as a flexi mode will be distributed through the weeks, so that whenever they are getting the time, they can make use of that particular slot and they can make use of it. It is totally a flexi mode and we are introducing the online. So this week cycle will be repeated for 12 weeks or 10 to 12 weeks for that particular thing. Apart from that, we are arranging expert lectures that will help the candidates to get the industrial orientation. Our university have a lot of MOUs with foreign universities and industries, and the experts from those industries for that particular area will be utilized to, in addition to the curriculum delivery and the lesson plan, and we are giving the expert lectures and we are making that as compulsory for each and every course. And we will give at that particular area many value-added programs. So these are all the things that we are making them so that this is more than the conventional program.
எவ்வளவு சீட் ஆட் பண்றீங்க சார்? 4 courses.
Sir?
Seats, number of seats.